reception and welcome to Phonics, and this is phase 3, and the sound that we're going to be looking at today is the sound yaw, and it is a trigraph. A trigraph means 3 letters and 1 sound, so this is a trigraph and the sound we're looking at is yaw. Right children, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen, and let's get ready. So let's make sure that we're doing good sitting, good looking and good listening. Can you join in with my ABC? 3, 2, 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U and V, W, X, Y and Z. Now I know my ABC, 26 letters from A to Z. Right, well done children. Let's say our previous sounds. Are you ready? And don't forget to join in with the actions. 3, 2, 1. J, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Qu, Ch, Sh, Th, Th, N, A, E, I, O, U, R, O, Yo, Ow, Oi, Ear. Then let's say our high frequency words. 3, 2, 1. Will, that, this, then, them, see, for, now, down, look, to, with. Well done children. Now let's do our oral blending and segmenting. But before we do our oral blending and segmenting, we just need to look at the pictures. So here we've got a turnip. Ip, turnip. Then we've got the town, that's Sheffield town, so town, town. And then we've got coin, oin, and tear, ear. Right then children, I say turnip and you say turnip, turnip. You say turnip and I say turnip, turnip. You say town and I say town, town. I say town and you say town, town. I say coin and you say coin, coin. You say coin and I say coin, coin. I say tear and you say ear, tear. You say tear and I say ear, tear. Well done children. So let's look back at the board and let's read our tricky words. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. He, she, we, me, be, you, they, all, are, my, her, was. Now this is where you need your pencil or your pen and your board, because it's speedy write time. So, I say down. So can you sound talk it and write the word down? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. So the first sound was a D. Then the middle sound was the ow sound, and then the final sound was a n. So d, ow, n, down. Remember children, if you've got the same as me, give it a tick. If not, just write it at the sound. Now the next word I would like you to write is the word look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you write it down? So the first sound is a L, then the middle sound's the U, and then the final sound's a K. Look. Right, the next word I would like you to write is the word to. And it's when you're going to the park and you want to go to. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the first sound was a t and then the oo sound. So it's double O, to. And the next word I would like you to write is the word with. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the first sound is a w, and the final, the middle sound is an I, and the final sound's a th. So with, w, I, th, with. Well done, children. Remember, children, give it a tick or write it at the side. So the sound that we're going to be learning today is your. So like I said, it's 3 letters and 1 sound. So I'm going to show you now how to write it. So for the up, we're going to start at the top. We're going to go round in a curve, up and down and hook. And the next letter is a r, so we're going to go down, up and over in a curve, off. And then the we start in the middle, we're going to go round in a circle and then off. So your. Do it one more time. Down, up and off. Down, up, round in a curve and off. Start in the middle, go round in a circle, back round there. So you see if you can do a row of them. So the sound is your. So here we've got some pictures. So here Teddy Bear is poorly and here's the doctor coming to help, and she's got the cure to make him better. She's got the cure, she's got some honey. So when he has some honey, he will get better. So she's got the cure, so cure. And here we've got some orange juice, and it's pure orange juice, so pure, pure. Here we've got a picture, so we've got your picture, and then we've got manure, your manure. So here we've got our sentence, and here is the manure. So it's probably left by the horse. And let's have a read of our sentence, and it says, the manure smells bad. Look at her face. It must smell really bad. Let's read the sentence again. The manure smells bad. How many words in that sentence? 1, 2, 3, 4. The manure smells bad. Oh, children, our sentence has got muddled up. So what was our first word? That's right, it was the. So the, what's next? The bad smells manure. Is that right? No. So the manure smells, and what's our last word? That's right, bad. The manure smells bad. Now, children, it's your turn to say the sentence. So can you remember that sentence? Now, let's have a go at, this is your challenge. I would like you to write the sentence, I had to insure my car. So see if you can do that sentence as well, children. I had to insure my car. Can you remember it? I had to insure my car. And then the other challenge I'd like to give you today is, could you write a sentence with the word cure in it? Right then, children. Don't forget to email me all your lovely work. Bye bye.